Welcome to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making a video about spaghetti and yellow donuts. In Ivory Coast, it's called aller-retour ou Galettes Jaune Jaune. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. The list of ingredients. We have vermicelli, flour, turmeric, salt, baking soda, and yeast, and of course the vegetables. The vermicelli. Tomato and the green pepper whole here, and we're gonna start making it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of oil first. I like to take olive oil because this is the one I use because it's healthy. Now that this is cooked, we are going to get ready to make the yellow donut. We are going to make the donuts. So basically I'm taking 250 grams of flour. I'm gonna take this as required, but I'm gonna take 6 grams of yeast, and I'm gonna take 150 milliliter of water, a little bit of salt, a little bit of baking soda, and that's it. So let's do it. then we're gonna cover it and let it sleep for like 2 hours. I'm gonna cover it with aluminum paper. So as you can see, this is done, and now we can fry it. We're just gonna make the shape and fry it. So now I'm gonna take my flour again and put it on the parchment paper. Give me 1 second, I'll show you guys. Just a little bit. And then you put it a little bit on your hands. It's just so that it doesn't stick. And then we're gonna take the dough and then we're gonna shape it to the shape we want, okay? So I'm putting the dough here. I put the dough and I take a little bit of it like that, like so. And then you're gonna give it a shape like that. It's usually like back home we give it like it's quite bigger, but this is how I personally like it. I like it when it's small